special for me. It's a vlog and a video. As you can see, I am in my birthday dress. So this gown that I'm wearing is actually my sister's and I borrowed it to wear. What we are gonna do is get ready with me for this birthday party. So without further ado, let's get started, guys. First of all, as you can see, I have straightened my hair and I'm in my outfit. The next step is was cleaning my face, which I cleaned with my micellar water. Now, next thing that I want to do is prep my face with moisturizer and then sunscreen.
Okay guys, so that's my moisturizer, and that's a Pond's water-based moisturizer which I'm applying on all over my face. I really like to rub the moisturizer in. Seriously, trust me, that's a tip. And the second thing that I'm doing is you apply your sunscreen over your moisturizer, no matter, even if it's night time, guys, do apply your sunscreen. And yes, apply it all over your face including your neck, and then just keep on rubbing it in your skin till the time it is totally absorbed. So like you can see, it's kind of absorbed now, and that's how my skin look after the whole process.
The next step is to use my CC cream. Okay, this I only use when there is some function or some kind of a party, or you know what I mean, some special occasion. So today is special because it's my birthday. Skin is prepped. How do I look? How does my skin look? Alright, so that's done. तो मुझे अपने स्किन प्रेप करने के बाद सबसे I like to do my lips and then my eyes. If you guys remember, I had shown this Maybelline lipstick that I've gone from Nykaa. So in a sale for half, 50%. So I'm gonna use that one today. Lipstick is done. Now next step is to do my eyeliners and curling my eyes first. So that's my gadget. I cannot do this in the camera, so I'm gonna do this in front of my mirror. That is curl my lashes, do my mascara, apply my liner, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna use a lipstick for my blush, which I always do. It is a very pale lipstick which I apply on my cheeks and a little on my forehead, a little on my nose, and a little on my chin. Okay, इसको लगाओ और smile करो, and then just use that as my blush. I'm sweating like a pig. Okay, I think I'm done, guys.
So now you guys can see I'm surrounded by these beautiful girls, and they all are my cousins, except this monkey is jumping here. He's my nephew Ayan.
Like the cool blue light.
They all have made a handmade card for me, and all of them. Okay, so I have a lot of cards to show you guys. The first card that I'm gonna show you, let's start randomly, whatever comes in my hand. So this is one big card, okay, and the special thing about this card is that it has all my bachpan ka photos in it. So here, you guys, this is for you to see. That's me over here, and then there is more photos in it, like here. So yeah, this is one of the cutest cards, and this is given to me by my sister Afsha. And the next card is this cute little card. You see that? It says happy birthday, sister. And this is also by a very sweet girl. Her name is Amina. And another sister, cousin sister, her name is Zoha. This is by my cute little Nushra. Okay, card. I mean, look at the effort that is gone in making this card. This is by Amira, and it has these pockets, and you open them. And the last card from my sisters is this one, that is from Ikra. And yeah, you see this, like all of this is handmade, guys, like so much effort just for me. It's मैं क्या बताऊँ,
इतना मुझे अच्छा लगा ना. And you see, okay, this is also a birthday gift. Let me just show you guys. This is given to me this is given to me by my mother. It has my name Afu on it. Okay, and this card is made by my 6-year-old nephew. His name is Ayan, and he's my darling, my crime partner, and he's just a first timer, and he's made this for me. But yeah, that's it for the cards. And there's one more thing to show you guys. These girls made me this box. It has hearts on it here, and it opens like this. It has chocolates in it, and it says happy birthday Afreen Appa, we both love you. And it closes like this with this thing on top, and that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. One thing that is really cute, and I have it right here, it's my Chanel bag. It's a first copy but given to me by my sister. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe guys, please ask your friends to subscribe. I really need your support. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.